There he is, my little thumb sucker. Jack Morgan sucking his thumb. What a cutie pie. Is it good, Jack? Is it good? Oh, did you lose it? Did you lose it? You can get it back. Oh, almost. 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 You can do it. You can do it. Good job.